If you do not have clear goals for your life, you are condemned forever to work for those who do.
If you don't sacrifice for what you want, then what you want becomes a sacrifice.
You see, in life it's very simple. Either you are working toward the accomplishment of your goals, or you're working toward the accomplishment of other people's goals.
The more people tell you it's not possible, that it can't be done, the more you should be absolutely determined to prove them wrong.
If you want to be great, you want to be baddest motherfucker ever at what you do, you could be misunderstood by everybody because you're going to be so fucking obsessed and so driven to get there. That's what it takes.
If you want to be good, you really don't have a lot of choices because it takes what it takes. You have to do what you have to do to be successful. So you have to make the choices and decisions to have the discipline and the focus to the process of what you need to do to accomplish your goals.